This is a retake of the elevator at Louise Buhl Hall of Science / Laboratory Building at Chatham University Shadyside Campus, Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Dover Marshall impulse elevator. Go to the basement. The top of the one is flickering. Here at the basement, go to 2. There's the basement level. Oh wait, no. Here, 2. Go back down to 1. The door's less squeaky than when I filmed it last time. ADA foam, Janice. That was added since I filmed it last time. It's your basic elevator, very big. Here, back of 1. This elevator's from the 90s, because I believe that's when the building was added on. I believe this elevator is from the attic. Over there's the original building. There it goes, and that's it.